Alright, so this trip is recorded 100% with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the recording glasses made by Wayfair. Check it out. There's some things that I think are really neat about it, and there's some things that you really have to be conscious of, and I'll maybe point them out as we go. Yeah, baby. Get your jump on. All right, come here. Yes, sir. Easy, 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 easy. He go. I'm curious how big that one was. Alright, so as you can tell, it's got good, clean, crisp pictures. The sunlight doesn't affect it too much from looking left to right, you know, in and out of the sun, so that's good. Oh, Wallstein. Dude, another? Barely. Hook come right out. See, 14 and a half. Got him. It's definitely two hawks there. Pretty sure they just did a wampa wampa. It's inappropriate. Right out in the open and everything. Alright, so you can tell I don't like the herky jerky of the head. That's something that you got to be conscious of when you're out there recording. If you're with people, you can get pretty crisp shots, I've zoomed in on most of this. It's great for the YouTube Shorts, TikTok, that kind of format. You have to zoom in to even attempt to fill up the screen if you're going for long format YouTube. That's a wrap on practice right there. Oh, I think we overcome most of our obstacles. Alright, here you see it does pretty good at night. I'm voicing over most of my audio. This was a Texas Bass Nation tournament. I didn't do so hot, finished like 12th out of 40. I just wanted you all to be able to see the footage from the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Alright, then a whole lot left here. I'm just going to let the rest of the video play. Again, this is all 100% of the footage is from the Ray-Ban Meta glasses made by Wayfair. I'm pretty impressed with it. I like it. I think it could replace the chest mount, right? So Check it out and tell me what you think. If you don't like it, tell me what you think. Half. Now we've got two 12, I think a 12 and a quarter and 12 and a half back to back. She's fishing a little tough. We're in a spot where we really don't want to fish. I don't even know why I'm here, but we're really waiting for that sun to get high up in the sky and hopefully not too much overcast for our bite, for our main spot that we want to get to, and hopefully get a limit. And Colin, there's one spot down here about a half a mile I need to start making some forward progress to check out. But yeah, that's it right there. Everything on that little swim jig. I don't have any electronics, as you can see. I just lost my 5th keeper here. Andy was a good one. Dang. All right, come on, baby. This could be number 5. Get in here, baby. Number 5 is in the net. Yes. Yes. All right, here we go. Net out of the way. We do not take our hands off this fish. Fish goes down, we go down. We're gonna do the first one. It's just gonna be just snap it, but I think. All right, now let's get to some Colin. 13 and a quarter, baby. We got a limit. Hot dog, we got a limit. In you go. Oh man, come on, come here. My bad. I don't think you're going to be 12 though. Ouch. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, we're running out of time to coal up. We lost a monster and a swim bait, all in the same cast, and we're just trying to go for broke here.